Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this easy makeup look. First, apply moisturizer all over your face including your neck. Be it makeup or skincare, never skip your neck. Next, apply sunscreen all over your face and neck if you are doing it in the morning. Apply primer on your high points of your face or where you feel you have large visible pores and fine lines. Apply foundation of your choice all over your face and neck and blend it with a damp beauty blender. Make sure your sponge is damp so that it blends very well and there will be no product wastage.
A few moments later.
Next, apply concealer under your eyes, over your eyelids, around your mouth, on the bridge of your nose, and wherever you have dark spots or pigmentation to conceal them. And blend it.
2,000 years later.
Now, take a loose powder to set your under eyes and wherever you have applied a concealer. Start contouring to define the shape of your face. Here I am using a darker shade of concealer as a contour. You can use a powder contour or a cream contour to do the same. Use the same beauty blender or a brush to blend the contour so that it looks natural and doesn't look streaky. And it's time for the eye makeup. Use a light peach shade as a transition shade and apply it all over your crease in the motion I'm showing. Apply a dark pink shade on the outer corner of your eye. Here I am using a blush as a dark pink shade and blend it using a blending brush. Take a shimmer shade of your wish and start applying it from the inner corner to the middle of your eye and blend it using your finger. Use a spoolie to brush your brows. If you have lighter eyebrows, then you can fill them in with an eyebrow enhancer or an eyebrow pencil. Use an eyelash curler to curl your lashes. Be careful while doing this. Apply mascara to both your upper and lower lashes. Apply blush to your face, sweeping from the cheekbones up to your hairline. Here I am using a powder blush. You can use a cream or a powder blush. You can apply blush to your nose and chin also. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face like cheekbones, brow bones and bridge of your nose, your chin, etc. Take a lip liner and outline your lips, focusing on the cupid bow. Apply a lipstick of pink or mauve shade all over your lips. Apply a lipstick of darker shade to make your lips look plumper. As a final step, take a setting spray of your wish and spray it all over your face to set your makeup.